are we looking back at? We're looking back at what we did during our 1 month journey, how we are dissecting it, what we are learning, what we did, what we came with, and what we are going back with. Right? So we are going to break that each process. Okay. So journey from day one, we came here thinking that we'll take 1 day at a time. At least that's what I came here with. The plan was to take 1 day at a time. The first day we came, we got the idea, we made a plan, we got into action, strategizing all the learning process, learning all the strategies and things like that, and then implementing it, and how to support the students' success since we are learning how to teach. So that was our main aim. So that was our journey. And then going forward, what did we do? What was my most enjoyed activity? One was class management and one was lesson management. The learning, the experience, and everything. These two activities are something that I learned, enjoyed the most. And then, along with learning the activities, I was also gaining knowledge about experience, ability, growth, competence, knowledge, and getting trained. And then, how am I going to grow as a trainer? What we learned from PDFs, we learned strategies, we learned various vocabularies, we learned the pronunciation, and we learned how to use the words, certain words we were not aware of. Learn the styles, teaching styles. So future plans for updating my skills. Excellence for me,